Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is our day 19 and we were yesterday studying about different kinds of middleware which we can import directly into our code base to avoid extra hassle. One such middleware was body parser, express.json and CORS, which we studied about. Body parser, as the name suggests, lets us parse different kinds of data into our body, and under the hood it works under express.json. We also studied about CORS, which stands for cross origin resource sharing. If our websites or if our resources are listed on different domains, then to share their data we use a package or a middleware known as CORS. Now you must be thinking about that what is the need of CORS when we have fetch and axios to fetch data from some other resource or some other website. It's because of security reasons that we can't allow every website or every domain to fetch data from our website or backend. So in Node.js, by default it is blocked, then that not every domain or not every person can access our data. So in order to tackle that problem, we have a middleware known as CORS, which allows us to share resources between two domains or two websites or two ports. This allows us to have a secure connection between our front end as well as backend if they are running on different ports. If we have our front end and backend on the same port, then there is no issue. We can go on without using CORS. So we studied how to implement CORS into our website, how to install it, how to use it, and how to code for it. After that, we studied about version control systems. There were two kinds of version control systems. One is distributed, which we are going to use. This is called, some examples of distributed version systems are Git and Git, etc. So we studied about that. Then we studied about how to do work in that distributed version control systems. Everyone has their own copy and everyone can fork their changes into their fork the main repo and push changes into their own local repository. Then we can pull those changes from that forked repo. So we studied about that. We studied about branches, we studied about merging, and we studied about basic components that, or basic features that we can perform using version control system and its need. Why was it needed? So with it, let's call it off a day. Thank you.